Consider the Xiaolongbao, an excerpt from the New York Times by Pete Wells. The first thing you notice about their soup dumplings is that they are pretty. In other restaurants, they are baggy, saggy water balloons ready to spill their guts on impact. They stand upright like Hershey's Kisses, and their skins, though very thin, don't rupture when squeezed between chopsticks. A single dumpling fits quite comfortably in the mouth. Once you bite down, the broth that pours out is not as lip-smackingly gelatinous as it could be, but it's still rich and full of flavour. It's very good.